Best time-saving tips for graphic designers. Number 1. Automate the boring, repetitive parts of your workflow. For example, watermarking images can be easily automated in Photoshop using actions and batches. Set up an action to apply your watermark and then run a batch to apply this action to entire folders of images. This way, you can watermark hundreds of images in just a few clicks. Similarly, you can automate mock-up image creation using the Batch Replace Smart Objects plugin. Just specify the Photoshop document, the input folder, the output folder, and click Run. This plugin will automate the entire process, saving you countless hours of time and generating hundreds of mock-up images entirely on autopilot. Number 2. Before you start working each day, make a list of your absolute highest payoff, top priority items. Focus only on these tasks. Refuse to do anything that's not on the list. This ensures that you're spending as much of your time on the most important things that you could possibly be doing while not getting distracted by lower priority items. Number 3. Before you start working on a specific task or project, take a few minutes to plan out the optimal, most time-effective way to get it done. Certain design tasks require perfectionism and careful attention to detail, while others can be done quickly without affecting the outcome. For instance, some people spend an hour crafting the perfect email response to a client when a quick 2-minute version would be just as effective. Identifying which tasks require meticulous effort and which can be done as quickly as possible can help you to get much more done each day. Number 4. Don't waste time reinventing the wheel. Use already prepared graphic design templates to streamline your workflow. Sites like Envato Elements have tons of templates for social media posts, banner ads, and just about everything else you can imagine. Using these as a starting point can significantly reduce the time you spend compared to starting from scratch on each project. Number 5. Avoid wasting time compulsively checking social media analytics and communications all day long. Yes, it might be important to post your work on these sites to build a following and generate more clients. Distinguish between the actual work and the time-wasting bullshit. These platforms are designed to do one thing well, and that is to suck you into the algorithmic rabbit hole and consume as much of your time as possible. Discipline yourself to have clear rules and boundaries for checking these sites. Focus on your work and make it a goal to spend the absolute bare minimum amount of time on social media. As Ty Lopez put it, use these platforms, but don't let them use you. Check Facebook when you want to check it, not when Mark Zuckerberg wants you to.